Ramen from Japan, noodles in a savory broth with meat, eggs, and vegetables. Dim sum from China, bite-sized dishes served in bamboo baskets. Kimchi from Korea, spicy fermented cabbage, a staple side dish. Pho from Vietnam, noodle soup with herbs and meat. Tom yum soup from Thailand, spicy and sour soup with shrimp. Satay from Indonesia, grilled meat skewers served with peanut sauce. Spaghetti carbonara from Italy, pasta with a creamy sauce of eggs, cheese, and pancetta. Goulash from Hungary, hearty stew made with beef, paprika, and vegetables. Crepes from France, thin pancakes filled with sweet or savory ingredients. Pierogi from Poland, dumplings stuffed with potatoes, cheese, or meat. Wiener Schnitzel from Austria, breaded and fried veal cutlet. Baklava from Iran, sweet pastry layers filled with nuts and honey. Barbecue ribs from the USA, slow-cooked ribs smothered in smoky sauce. Chili con carne from the USA, spicy stew of meat, beans, and chili peppers. Clam chowder from the USA, creamy soup with clams, potatoes, and onions. Tamales from Mexico, corn dough stuffed with meats or cheeses, wrapped in husks. Maple syrup pancakes from Canada, fluffy pancakes topped with maple syrup. Churros from Mexico, fried dough pastry dusted with cinnamon sugar. Arepas from Colombia and Venezuela are delightful corn cakes filled with either meat or cheese. Churrasco, a Brazilian favorite, features grilled meat served on skewers. Lomo saltado from Peru is a delicious stir-fried beef dish with onions, tomatoes, and fries. In Argentina, dulce de leche is a beloved sweet caramelized milk spread used in many desserts. Moqueca, a seafood stew from Brazil, is made with coconut milk and palm oil. And from Chile, pastel de choclo is a comforting corn pie filled with beef and chicken. Tagine from Morocco is a slow-cooked stew that combines meat, vegetables, and spices. In Ethiopia, injera and wat are staples, with sourdough flatbread served alongside spicy stews. South Africa's braaivleis is a barbecue featuring a variety of meats. Couscous, popular across North Africa, consists of steamed semolina grains served with vegetables or meat. Boboti, another South African dish, is a baked minced meat casserole topped with a layer of egg. And in West Africa, fufu is a dough-like staple made from cassava or yam. Falafel, enjoyed throughout the Middle East, are delicious fried balls made from chickpeas or fava beans. Tabbouleh, a refreshing salad from Lebanon, includes parsley, mint, tomatoes, and bulgur. Manakish, from the Levant, is a flatbread typically topped with za'atar or cheese. From Iran, kebabs are popular and consist of grilled skewered meat or vegetables. Kofta, common in the Middle East, are spiced meatballs or meatloaf. Baklava, a sweet treat from the Middle East, is a layered pastry filled with honey and nuts. Lamingtons, a favorite in Australia, are sponge cake squares coated in chocolate and coconut. Vegemite on toast is a classic Australian snack, featuring a savory yeast spread on buttered toast. Barbecued prawns, also from Australia, are grilled shrimp seasoned with lemon and spices. Kangaroo steak, another Australian delicacy, offers lean, flavorful meat that is often grilled or roasted. Kiwi pavlova, a dessert from New Zealand, is topped with whipped cream and kiwi fruit. And finally, Kumara chips from New Zealand are delicious sweet potato fries. Gap 5S. This video is made by a real majesty. His name is AZ. AZ spent 45 years in America trying to heal his two nations. He hails from the last great royal family and is a hero of Iran. They lived in a real castle, freed Iran, but did not take the kingdom. However, due to the discovery of oil on their land, they were overthrown by England and later lost everything in the war with Saddam Hussein, aided by American and Israeli arms dealers. Aziz's lineage traces back to the same area where Persian King Cyrus the Great once ruled. Iran boasts thousands of years of history, with many beautiful contributions to the world, from the Constitution of Europe and America to the YouTube algorithm, and even the halo on top of Jesus's head. All these innovations trace back to Iran. Over 2,500 years ago, Cyrus the Great introduced the first human rights in history. The Jewish Holy Book recognizes him as a Jewish Messiah who freed the Jews, allowing them to live in Iran, Persia, for 2,700 years. Ozzy's story is a reminder that we should all strive for a better world where everyone can eat and live in peace. As we celebrate the diverse foods from around the world, let us also remember the legacy of AZ and the quest for peace that continues to inspire us all.